I'm turning this on ramp just so I can fuck Nino up.
Jose, what is this? 12 and a half. 12 and a half. 12 and a half, baby. Hey, listen up. Yo. I'm going to let you guys use the tree line, and when you guys are out, we're going to move on to this field. Okay. All right. Which way, Pat, which way is a good way to go?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? This is really fun. Okay. I'm just going to sit here. I'm just kidding. I don't know where the fuck are from the hip. Right there?
Yeah.
How the hell are you supposed to defeat that shit?
Huh?
There's nothing. The boat, I mean.
Ready?
Where are they?
Straight ahead.
I see them. Oh.
Yeah, got you, monster!
Yeah, I just realized.
What? What? You know you were an idiot. Where are they at? Straight ahead! Watch the left! Watch the left! Got ya.
Right here.
Did I shoot you? Yeah. Gotta watch this left right here.
Yeah. There's some on the box right here.
Yeah, got you, Nino!
Put your barrel stock on. Referee, coming in.
Move out! Move out!